Hi beautiful lovers, welcome back to my YouTube channel The Beauty Spot. Hope so you guys are all doing well. In today's video, we are mixing up our hairstyle game with a focus on hair accessories. If you think hair accessories are just for special occasion, think again. They are the perfect fit to elevate your everyday look and add a touch of personal flair. First up, let's talk about the classical headband. Next we have hair clips and barrettes. If you are into braids, you have loved how ribbon and thread can transform your braid game. Let's not forget about head scarves. For a more edgy vibe, try out hair chains or hair cuffs. If you guys like this video, so you can press the like button. For watching this type of video, please subscribe my YouTube channel.